It's time to switch gears now and talk about the next investing category of active trading. These brokerage platforms are going to be a lot more advanced with features that are geared towards those who place a lot of trades and rely on robust charting and data. At the top of our list here for the best active trading brokerage account, we have none other than Webull. Webull is specifically designed for active traders who want powerful research tools packed into an easy-to-use platform which works well on both the app as well as the desktop platform. In terms of the features offered, Webull offers advanced charting tools, real-time market data, a customizable interface, a seamless multi-platform experience, advanced order types that you're not going to find most other places, and coolest of all to me is their paper trading simulation feature. The paper trading simulator allows users to practice trading without spending any money, but it's tied into the real-time market data, and it's going to operate in the same manner as the Webull trading app when you're using real money. This can be a great way to get comfortable with a new app or trading strategy without having to risk any actual money. In addition, Webull also has a separate app called Webull Pay, which is focused specifically around cryptocurrency trading. So if you're looking for crypto investments, you're going to want to check out that app separately. In addition, Webull also offers free fractional shares as a promotional bonus for new users who open and fund an account. The free fractional shares are worth between $3,000 and $3,000 each, and the number of shares awarded depends on the deposit amount. Guys, I'll put the current free stock promotion on screen now, but click the link below or visit ryanoscribner.com/Webull to see the latest free stock bonus offer, and I also have a full Webull tutorial that I will link up down below too.